YouTube, so today I'll be making a tutorial on ready to program Java try-catch statements. I'm sorry for not uploading that many videos. I'm learning a lot at school with programming, so there's a lot of videos to come, particularly with different IDEs and so on and so forth. So we open up a new project and let's just type in just any class like hello world. Let's have a public, void main, string args. So we're going to have a main, then we're going to have a class constructor called hello world. Now there's different types of try catches, so let's just begin by making the object of hello world, and inside here it's just going to run this and nothing happens. Okay, let's make console C, import hc asterisk console C, and then here we do C equals make console, run this, and the console works. Now basically what a try catch does is it tries to do something and it prevents the program from crashing in case something unexpected happens. So an example of this would be a try catch, which catches if you input a letter when you're supposed to input a number. So in order to do that, we do a try and catch, and then let's do number format exception. So this is a try catch with number format exception E that will catch in case an error occurs when parsing. So basically what parsing is when you convert it from one type to another. So let's say please enter your age. Okay, we're going to say int age equals integer, a parse int, and we're going to see dot read line. So basically what this does is it takes it from the integer wrapper class, it parses it to an integer, so it converts the string from the read line to an integer, and in case an error occurs, we're going to output new message, error occurred. So let's try this and run it, and it says please enter your age. If I put 30, nothing happens. Meanwhile, if I do, it says error occurred, and then it closes. If I remove the try and catch here, you'll notice that the program will actually crash. If I enter in, it'll crash because you have a number format exception. There's different types of exceptions. You can put a general exception E. When you're doing file IO related input output, you would do IO exception, file not found exception. There's different types. Now generally whenever you do IO exceptions, so if you would import java.io io.asterisk, you would do a catch a lower exception, so for example file not found exception. I'll have a tutorial on file IO, and then you can have catch, and then you can have, for example, end of file exception E, and then you can have a IO exception E. Now if you look at the actual catch statement, inside here it has a reference variable to the number format exception. That just throws it off. You can change this to whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. That's just whatever you reference. When you get into more advanced things such as action listeners, there's actually commands you can take, so you can actually see where the exception occurs specifically. So for example, if someone clicks a button and then you catch an event, then you can get the action command of that specific exception, and that will help figuring out which button was pressed specifically. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll keep it simple, and this is essentially how it works. So another way of doing this would just be throwing. So like throws IO exception here, and then you'd know to throw it here also. But the program will compile because there's nothing to actually throw IO exception from. So doing it as throw IO exception here would reduce the usage of this, but it sort of removes the purpose of just doing it with a try and a catch. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you need any more help, please comment below. Thanks for watching.